Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Teresa. Today I'm going to show you an easy care indoor plant which is bromeliad. This specific bromeliad is called Guzmania. Bromeliads are native to tropical climates. In its natural habitat, they live attached to trees, barks or rocks. It's interesting to see that this pineapple also is a bromeliad, but it is a terrestrial bromeliad, which means it grows on ground. Bromeliads are called epiphytes because they live attached to trees or barks, but they are not parasites. Now about the flowering. Bromeliads flower once in a lifetime. After they flower, the mother plant will die. The flower of the bromeliads lasts for about 4 to 6 months. This flowered in November and it's more than 6 months now. The flower already dried off. This was actually red when it bloomed. The beautiful flower and the nice green foliage makes the bromeliads a good choice as a house plant. These are not real flowers, they are called bracts or modified leaves. The flower was only a small one inside this bracts. Before the mother plant dies, it produces babies called offsets or pups. See, you can see that this bromeliad has two babies, one here and one over here. When the pups are about 1/3 of the size of the mother plant, we can transplant them. Now we can talk about the growing media. Bromeliads need a well-draining soil and it likes humidity. So we can mix the orchid bark. So I'm going to use some orchid bark, some moss and some regular potting mix. So we can mix this together. So I'm going to plant one of these pups into this container. This has the drainage holes. So we can fill this container with the potting mix. Now we can remove the baby plant or the pup from the plant. So we can remove it by pulling the pup away from the plant, away from the mother plant. It has started forming roots, so it will do well when we transplant them. So we can transplant this into this pot. So these bromeliads do not have a well organized root system. They just need the root to anchor it to the potting mix. Normally they use their roots to anchor themselves to the trees or the barks or the rocks. You can add a little bit of potting soil on top of it. Now about the watering of the bromeliads. This bromeliad leaves from a cup or a tank. You can see water in here. So when you water the bromeliad, you water into the cup or the tank. You can also give some water to the roots also. So in its natural habitat, when it rains, the plant will collect the water in this cup or the tank, and it will save this water until it rains again. So we can water this newly planted pup also. See, you can see this also has a small cup here, so we can water into the cup, and also we can give a little bit of water to the roots too. This bromeliad needs watering only once or twice a week. You can look at the water level in the cup. When the water level goes down, pour more water into the cup. And this bromeliad takes about 18 months for it to bloom. I'm going to put this bromeliad into this decorative pot. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.